What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden Landscape, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video, first off, look at that color though. Wow, that is insane. But as you can tell from the pattern of the videos, we first started out with prepping the lawn with biostimulants, linked in the top right hand corner, and then we talked about starter fertilizers, linked in the top right hand corner as well. So now the next thing we got to do is low mowing. We got to mow lower. I have this thing down. It's been cut. It was cut about 4 days ago, but I have it down to 3 inches now. So we're only coming down another 0.25 to 2.75, and that's as low as I'm going. And then we'll be back up to 4. But you all know how I irrigate my front yard. Look, check this out. You can tell here, right there's the line where I stopped irrigating. And here's the front yard right there. That's property dominance. And then here's where I stopped irrigating. Today I'm probably going to change that because I'm going to set up my backyard irrigation, get ready for fall seeding. But wow, that looks good. By the way, thank you to my folks over at Sod Solutions. This is a sweet cap, and thank you. And if you all are wondering where these sunglasses went, they were on my dresser this whole time. I just haven't been wearing them, so I brought them back out. Okay guys, so the first topic we're going to go ahead and talk about is why you want to mow lower. So this lawn started just a few weeks ago at 4 inches, and we came down to 3 in the last few mowings, and it's tolerated that really well. So this time we're going down to 2.75. The reason why you want to keep climbing lower is because you want better seed to soil contact when you overseed this fall. So we want to open up the soil and open up the root zones to allow the seed to reach the base of the soil. Okay, so the next footage you're going to go ahead and see is me coming down from 4 to 3 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that edit right here, right now. Let's get to it. How about those edges, B. Davis? There's the lawn at 3 inches. Now, let's take a little bit of a break from cutting and watching B-roll sequences, and let's talk about how to mow lower. So, the easiest way to mow lower is to slowly take your height of cut down. And by doing that, you're not going to want to just come from 4 to 2.75 that quickly, or it'll look terrible. So, even from me coming from like 3.5 to, it's probably taller than 3.5, but 3.5 to 2.75 isn't a great idea. But how it looks at 3, coming down 0.25 of an inch isn't going to look that much different, so I know it's going to look good. So when you bring it down lower and slow and low is the tempo. Okay, that's how you want to do it. This is a sad moment, a very, very sad moment. I'm coming down lower than 3 inches for the purpose of seeding. I don't even want to think about it. But let's roll the B-roll and get it done. Not nearly as bad as I expected. Still held its color, still looks great. and it'll be back. Got a little bit of brown down in here. Nothing bad. Still holding its beautiful color. You know, still holding the tight domination line. Anyway, looks really good still. I'm so happy. I was worried I was losing my lawn right there for a minute. But, give you one more walkthrough. I got sad there for a minute, but it doesn't look that bad. Am I going to stay mowing at this? Absolutely not. But, looks pretty good for what it is. Alright guys, you guys are literally seeing this real time. It is Saturday. I'll put the date up on the screen. I forget the date. But literally tomorrow is when I'm dropping this video. The lawn recovered nicely. I cut it maybe 3 days ago from the 2.75. So we're going to go ahead and cut it again. And then I'll cut the back section. It'll give you the one last update before you see us going all into the renovation. Let me cut it real quick and then I'll give you the update. Alright guys, we gave the lawn a nice cut. Looking nice and fresh. Nice and fresh as always. Then we cut the section through here, looking nice and good. We got the backyard nice and cut. We cut it this way. I don't know if you can see the lines here. You can see them going this way. But everything's prepped. I wanted to give you this last update, show you everything. All the weeds are gone in the backyard. I just wanted to walk you through the yard, show you what it's looking like. The last final few days before aeration and seeding and everything like that. Alright guys, I know that wasn't one of my longest videos, but you know, just doing what we got to do, because next week you'll be seeing renovation videos, and you will see that all the way until probably mid-November. Renovation videos on this whole yard. If you want to purchase these shirts, they are $25 each. They're really high quality. Logo is printed into the fabrics of the shirt so it doesn't crack. So email me at aidensbo@icloud.com. I'll put my email up on the screen here. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Lawn Landscaping. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. We've been prepping all the customer lawns for aeration by